Local news for Monday the 24th of February. Lifestyle property sales were down across the country 6.4% for the 3 months ended January 2020 than the same time last year. South Wairarapa, however, continued to display market resilience. The region has recorded a slight increase in the median price. The average length of the time on the market was 45 days. A power cut yesterday afternoon affected the water supply in Greytown and Featherston. Trees and lines are believed to have cut power to the main water pump that feeds the town's reservoir. Marston residents in the Cornwall Street and Namutoa Road area also experienced a short water outage. Greytown Wellington Regional Council detailed the final part of its bus network review. Transport Committee Chair Councillor Roger Blakely described the process as robust and a heartfelt commitment to communities across the region. Community engagement is scheduled to take place between March 23 and April 17. And thousands enjoyed the Ngāti Kahungunu Kapahaka Festival held at Majoro Park on Saturday. Performing just after 1pm, Te Rangiora o Wairarapa finished third overall and will go forward to represent Kahungunu at next year's Te Matatini competition in Auckland. Congratulations to all of you. I thought you were fantastic. Kia ora. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.